so I have a chance to give back to the people who supporting my YouTube channel. That's why I'm joining YouTube because I want to help. I want to give because giving is blessing. That's what they said. Since I'm not monetized yet in my YouTube channel, I need to be patient to do my live stream every morning until I get monetized. If I have earning, I promise guys that I will do a little charity if my YouTube channel is earning someday. Who knows? Manifest because I do this. I create YouTube channel because I want to feed children. I want to give the children to the senior